Hello everyone, co-owner here. This video is just a quick preview of our first train that will be running on the first built line in the system, known as the CT-5, City Transit Dash 5. This train will be a maximum of 6 cars long running on the green line. Just a quick preview around here of the exterior. As you can see, nice white texture with some white green stickers, of course. If we do go inside the interior area, you can see that the seats, including the displays, are in the green color to follow the green line. So it's kind of just like MBTA, where they have different train models, but then they have a color for the specific line they're going on. So we kind of follow that way. Simple. Here's a quick map. This is just a simple map of what the entire system is here. Of course, it's going to be changed during the near future, but for now, this is just something simple. Therefore, we can know where to navigate the whole entire map. Every station that is here will be a station on the system. Just maybe the orders could be a little bit different. This train also includes sliding doors, which is great, which is definitely a great addition for any automatic subway game. Bogies will be added. It's still a little bit of a work, but it won't take too long. Like I said, guys, just a quick preview of the near in the future HCT's automatic train. First line that will come out will be the green line. We are hoping to get that before Christmas time. Maybe like a day or two after before. But it is still a work in progress. If you guys want to stay updated, please subscribe to the HCT Subway Metro on YouTube, and I'll catch you guys later.